guys, today I need to show you in this video how to tear out the concrete for the loading dock ramp. You can see here there's a lot of bad squares for concrete ramp, like joint to joint. Here I marked all of them bad. You can see the dark gray concrete is peeling. That is bad concrete. Look, all those squares, they are bad. So we started today to tear it out. Tear out the concrete. You can see. So today we started to tear it out. That's what will happen. You know, here, after we poured concrete and after we left the job site, we got heavy rain and the concrete didn't got covered with the plastic sheet. So now the concrete is peeling, as I show you in this video, peeling. So the top surface for the concrete, it's a weak surface. Okay, so all that squares. So I started to cut it joint to joint, like control joint as a squares, and I marked the damage square. As you can see, when you go the slope down, it will get worse. So the first 3 squares here it looks good, but the rest will be bad. So we started to do saw cut to tear it out and cut it as a 1 foot or 2 foot, and I rented a dumpster, so tomorrow we'll throw it to the dumpster. That's what will happen. Same thing, you know, if you add water to the concrete will be weak. Okay, concrete will be weak, and the surface for the concrete will be weak. A lot of water. When the concrete will be dry, you know, it will be like a hose. And when the concrete dry, water will go. Okay, so it will be a hose. And the concrete will be weak concrete, not good. So please don't add water to the concrete, and when you pour concrete, cover it with a plastic sheet. That's what happens, you know. We will spend a lot of time and money to fix it. Please, if you like this video, just subscribe and like. Subscribe, share with others. That's how to tear out concrete using the saw cut machine. And then we will re-pour again using dowels and epoxy. And we will cure and seal all, so to match color between the old concrete and new concrete. I will show you again. Okay, guys. Again, please just subscribe this video and share with others. Thank you very much. Bye.